Hey guys, in this lesson we'll learn about the forms in which living cells exist. At this point, you're familiar with the organization of living organisms, from single cells to the system level of organization. Let's begin. A man can exist as a free individual, alone with no one around. A man may also get married and start a family. Most people prefer this lifestyle to the former. These families can come together to form communities. Communities can be as small as a village or as big as cities such as Kigali, Lagos, Abuja, Nairobi, and so on. A similar phenomenon can be observed with cells. There are cells that prefer to exist as single or free living organisms, just like a man living alone. An amoeba is an example. An amoeba is capable of performing all of life's activities as a single cell. Euglena and Chlamydomonas are other examples of free living organisms. Some cells can also live as colonies. Colonies are groups of organisms that live together and depend on one another for survival. Volvox is a typical example. The cells of Volvox are joined to one another through a cytoplasmic strand. A cytoplasmic strand is like a thin thread and helps to hold the cells that make up a Volvox colony together. The cells of a mature Volvox colony break off to form new colonies. Sponges form colonies too. Cells may also exist as filaments. Filaments are thin and chain-like living structures. Spirogyra is a typical example. The cells of Spirogyra are joined end-to-end to form a continuous filament of cells, and each cell of the filament functions independently of another. Oscillatoria is another example of a living organism that exists as a filament. Cells also exist as a part of a multicellular organism. So cells make up tissues, tissues make up organs, and organs make up systems in a multicellular organism. Blood and bone are tissues. Nose, skin, the tongue, and eyes are organs. Systems include the circulatory system, nervous system, and so on. So in this lesson, you've learned that cells can exist singly, as colonies, filaments, and as part of multicellular organisms. I'll see you soon.